Did you know 1 in 4 new car batteries fail prematurely, often within the first 2 years? And here is the shocker. 90% of these battery failures happen because of poor quality brands or misuse. The worst part is that 70% of drivers assume all car battery brands are pretty much the same. They just walk into an auto parts store and buy whatever is cheap or has a recognizable logo. That is a massive mistake. In this video, I'm going to expose 6 battery brands you need to avoid at all costs, and 5 that will actually last 5 to 8 years. Let's start with the worst brands you need to avoid. Worst number 6. Generic, no-name imported batteries. Let's start with one of the biggest traps in the battery market. Generic, no-name imported batteries. These batteries often look impressive because they advertise high cold cranking amps, long warranties, and incredibly low prices. But here is the problem. Many of these claims are difficult to verify. Unlike established manufacturers that spend millions on testing and quality control, some generic brands focus primarily on offering the lowest possible price. Mechanics frequently report seeing these batteries lose capacity much faster than premium competitors. The reason is simple. Many use thinner lead plates, lower quality separators, and cheaper internal materials. Heat is the #1 enemy of a car battery, and low-quality construction accelerates internal deterioration. Some drivers report significant performance loss within just 2 years. Another major issue is warranty support. If a reputable battery fails, you can usually walk into a local store and receive assistance immediately. Worst number 5. Value Power, Walmart. If you are shopping for a battery on a tight budget, then you have probably seen the Value Power line at Walmart. The low price is certainly attractive, but many mechanics consider it a short-term solution rather than a long-term investment. These batteries are built utilizing low-grade calcium-lead grids that feature incredibly fragile envelope separators, which frequently puncture under standard road vibrations. Once these separators fail, active lead paste sheds rapidly from the plates and pools at the bottom of the casing, which causes catastrophic internal short circuits. This end result kills the battery instantly. Data collected from regional automotive service hubs indicates that in hot climates like Arizona and Florida, Value Power units suffer a 22% failure rate before reaching their 14th month of service. This constant voltage sag forces your vehicle's alternator to work overtime, ultimately lowering your fuel efficiency and accelerating the wear on your entire charging system. However, Value Power batteries can still be a reasonable choice for older vehicles with basic electrical systems. But drivers looking for maximum reliability often choose a higher-tier battery instead. Worst number 4. Die-Hard Silver and Red, lower tiers. While Advance Auto Parts continues to build an excellent product with their premium, platinum, and gold tiers, but their entry-level silver and red variants have suffered extensively from aggressive corporate cost-cutting. Die-Hard Silver and Red lower-tier units utilize a cheaper cast grid layout rather than a stamped, continuous grid system, which leaves the internal components highly vulnerable to a phenomenon known as grid growth under normal cycling. And here is the shocker. Warranty tracking data shows an alarming spike in customer returns precisely between the 16 and 22-month marks, typically accompanied by a total loss of cranking power under load. Furthermore, these units demonstrate very poor recovery metrics. If you happen to discharge a die-hard silver battery down to 10.5 volts just once, the internal plate sulfation can set in so rapidly. Worst number 3. Economy Tier AC Delco Batteries. AC Delco has built a strong reputation over the years, but some of their economy tier batteries have received criticism from both drivers and technicians. The issue is not necessarily immediate failure. In fact, many of these batteries perform adequately when they are new, but the problem often appears after several years of use. Actually, these budget units are engineered as low-cost alternatives, and they utilize a highly restrictive, low-profile cast grid structure. Fleet maintenance tracking data reveals that these economy variants show a massive 16.5% spike in internal capacity loss within the first 15 months of deployment inside vehicles carrying heavy parasitic electronic draws. The active chemical paste formulation of economy-tier AC Delco battery features a lower density matrix that degrades rapidly under the aggressive deep discharge cycles that is common in modern vehicles with smart charging systems. If your vehicle has advanced electronics, heated seats, or a start-stop system, a higher-end battery is usually a much smarter investment. Worst number 2. EverStart Value Series batteries. Now let's talk about one of the most commonly purchased budget batteries, the EverStart Value Series. To be clear, not every battery sold under this name is problematic. However, the entry-level Value Series models have generated a significant number of complaints regarding lifespan and performance. These models are constructed with ultra-thin, low-grade flooded lead-acid grids. They completely lack the necessary chemical mass and structural reinforcements required to survive extreme seasonal temperature fluctuations. Long-term testing metrics indicate that when underhood temperatures exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, then the volatile antimony lead alloys inside these cells undergo rapid grid growth, which physically warps and splits the fragile plastic envelope separators. Once these thin separators puncture, then the active material sheds violently down into the bottom sediment chambers and triggers catastrophic internal short circuits that drop the output down to an unusable 10.5 volts overnight. Consumer Workshop registry tracking highlights that the EverStart Value Series suffers an alarming 19.8% field failure rate right around its 13th month of active service, packed with modern parasitic electronics like dash cams, security sensors, or infotainment arrays. Worst number 1. Old batteries. Sitting on store shelves. This number 1 category might surprise you because it includes batteries from even the best brands in the world. The truth is that an old battery sitting on a shelf for too long can be a terrible purchase, regardless of the logo on the case. Many consumers have no idea that batteries age even when they are not being used. Studies show that a lead-acid battery can lose charge continuously while sitting in storage. As charge levels drop, sulfation begins forming on the battery plates. Sulfation is one of the leading causes of reduced battery life and capacity. Once those sulfate crystals harden, then some of the damage becomes permanent. That's why professional technicians always check the manufacturing date before purchasing a battery. Ideally, you should buy a battery that is less than 6 months old. That's why always check the date code before spending your money. That's all for the worst batteries you should never buy. Now let's discuss 5 best batteries that will easily last you 5 to 8 years without breaking a sweat. These brands represent the pinnacle of modern battery engineering. Best number 5. AC Delco Gold Series. Let's start with the AC Delco Gold Series. That is one of the most underrated long-life batteries on the market. While many budget batteries begin losing cranking power after just 3 years, but countless AC Delco owners report getting 5 to 7 years of dependable service. One reason is its calcium-lead grid technology, which significantly reduces water loss and internal corrosion. Corrosion is responsible for thousands of premature battery failures every year because it slowly destroys the battery's ability to hold a charge. AC Delco also incorporates enhanced vibration resistance. That excessive vibration can shorten battery life by as much as 30%. Best number 4. Odyssey batteries. For drivers who demand uncompromised reliability, Odyssey stands alone as the undisputed heavyweight champion of automotive engineering. Most standard consumer batteries utilize cheaper, recycled lead blends filled with impurities, but Odyssey manufactures their cells exclusively using 99.99% pure virgin lead plates. This allows more plate surface area inside the battery, which means more power and longer life. This pure chemistry allows the Odyssey battery to endure up to 400 complete deep discharge cycles down to 80% depth of discharge, compared to roughly 150 cycles for many standard batteries. That's nearly 3 times the durability. Best number 3. X2 Power Premium AGM Batteries Plus. If you are looking for a battery that combines extreme power with exceptional longevity, then the X2 Power Premium AGM deserves serious attention. Manufactured by East Penn, the same company behind the highly respected Deca batteries, X2 Power batteries have developed a reputation for outperforming many mainstream brands. These batteries are designed using premium AGM technology, and some XS power models can provide over 1,000 cold cranking amps, which makes them ideal for vehicles that demand reliable starts in all weather conditions. It is an ideal option for anyone running high-draw aftermarket accessories like auxiliary lighting, audio amplifiers, or dual-zone integrated dashcam systems. Best number 2. Optima Yellowtop AGM. If you are building an off-road rig or a high-wattage custom audio setup, the Optima Yellowtop AGM should be at the top of your shopping list. This battery has developed an almost cult-like following among truck owners, off-road enthusiasts, and performance vehicle drivers. Its secret lies in Optima's unique spiral cell technology, which wraps 99.99% pure lead sheets into tight cylindrical rolls instead of traditional flat plates. This provides greater durability and vibration resistance. When it comes to combining durability, performance, and longevity, few batteries can match the Optima Yellowtop. Best number 1. Interstate AGM Costco. One of the best battery values on the market today is the Interstate AGM battery sold through Costco. While many premium AGM batteries command premium prices, but Interstate has managed to deliver impressive performance and durability at a cost that is often significantly lower than competing brands. What makes the Interstate AGM stand out is its highly consistent cell matching. The battery is engineered to maintain a voltage variance of less than 0.05 volts between internal cells, which ensures that no single weak cell drags down the performance of the entire battery. This level of precision helps improve charging efficiency, maximize power output, and extend overall battery life. Durability is another major strength. To protect your investment, you must decode the secret manufacturer date stamp embedded on every battery case. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Find the small, circular, or rectangular heat-stamped sticker on the plastic casing of the battery. Step 2. Decode the year digit. The second character is a digit indicating the year of manufacture. For example, a 5 means 2025, a 6 means 2026, and a 7 means 2027. Step 3. Calculate the total age. Combine the values. A code reading C6 means the battery was made in March 2026. Never buy a battery that is older than 3 months from the current date. That's all for this video. Check that code before you pay. Drop a comment below with what brand is currently under your hood